Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video, we're going to be doing the full build introduction on our 2007 Volvo S80 V8. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alright, so today, like I mentioned in the intro, we're going to be fully introducing our goals and the build for the V8. There's some little things that have been done already. Like you guys saw, we got some new wheels on the side right here. So the wheels are completely different than what they used to be. These will be changed again in the future since I've fallen in love completely with a brand new pair of wheels made by Vossen. The only issue is those wheels are not available anymore. So that's going to be another issue that we must address. So as far as the build, we will keep all of the power, so engine-wise, pretty much bone stock. We will most probably be doing a tune and things like that, but nothing more. It's just going to be a simple build, aesthetically and sound very, very good. Alright, so if you guys noticed from our introduction video, this is a 2007 model. If you are very, very knowledgeable, you will know that this is not a 2007 grille. This center front grille is a grille from a facelifted model, which includes the bigger logo and the V8 badge, which wasn't there. Again, I had to install this, use some products to glue it on and make sure that it doesn't move. At the moment, it's pretty secure. So that's actually the first visual mod that I had to do to the car since it did not come with the V8 badge. And let's be honest, guys, a V8 without the V8 badge, is it really a V8? Who knows? You know what I mean? You just gotta open the hood and figure it all out. So next up, as you guys saw in our previous video about the S80 V8, we changed the wheels. So we completely changed these to another set. So that was mod number 2 as far as aesthetically wise. As far as what we're going to be doing in the future, let me explain to you guys, this right here is not going to be the ride height that the S80 V8 will be riding on in the future. We have a very, very special project and a very, very special mention to a certain company that we dealt with that sponsored us with the coils. So huge thanks to that company. We will be mentioning them in a future video. We will be getting a 2-inch drop, so the wheel gap will be absolutely perfect. Next up, we will be doing a complete custom exhaust. After the cats, so it's going to be pretty much a catback as of what we know now. We have found a shop that was able to do the work for us. It will be a complete custom exhaust, so we are not using the stock exhaust anymore. We will be cutting everything out and replacing it with some stainless steel exhaust. We have not chosen the mufflers and the resonator yet, but we will be going for a very, very aggressive style exhaust. Can't wait to show you guys in the next video about the V8 is going to be about the exhaust. So if you guys are new, make sure you like that video and you subscribe and turn on post notification, because that video, guys, is going to break the internet. The sound that is going to be coming out of our V8 will be absolutely mental, I promise. Once we are done with the exhaust, we have ordered already a custom kit, which will be a body kit for the V8. This will be probably the first V8 with such a kit in the world. Who knows? There's not many forums talking about body kits made for these. There is a couple of people that have made wide body kits, but not a lot of people have made a regular, just aggressive style kit for a daily style car. The kit will be made, of course, by us, fully carbon fiber. So all we need is the base, and then we will customize it and make it fully of carbon fiber. You guys can expect plenty of videos for that as well. There will also be a full custom wrap in a color that we will not disclose up to now. We are still working out the process of which and when, because we have a lot of project guys, like you guys know. At the moment, we currently have 4 project cars, which would be the S60R, the V70R, the XC70, which we haven't posted a lot on, but we are still working in the background on that car, and now the S80 V8. Those 4 builds, guys, we promise are going to be absolutely incredible. Our goal is for one day to be part of a show like SEMA and show off to the world our work. Well, this pretty much sums up everything. I will let you guys to some amazing B-rolls. It is getting kind of dark out here, and I have brought a special drone to get some crazy shots for you guys. Enjoy the B-rolls.
Day and night, the lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night. At night. Cause day and night The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night.